All right, this is a 2017 Suburban. This is the Premier package. Look at those wheels; they look really good. I like the chrome wheels against the black. Stepping up inside, all that wood trim, the black leather, heated and cooled seats there. It's got 138,000 miles in this 2017 Suburban Premier. It's got the heated steering wheel. It's got adaptive cruise control in this one too. That's awesome. There's the navigation screen. There's the backup camera. Of course, we were listening to Joy FM there too. Dual climate control, heated and cooled seats. And up top, there's a sunroof too. There's a power liftgate switch there also. All right, middle row captain's chairs. That's really popular. That's awesome. And it's got a Blu-ray player. Heated middle row seats also. And there's the third row. So this is a 7-seater, 2 in the front, 2 in the middle, 2 in the back. Oh, and dual Blu-ray player screens. That's awesome. Oh, look, it's got all the all-weather mats and floor mats and stuff for it too. Power folding third row. That's awesome. And this thing has a power liftgate as well. Check it out, Hillsboro, Missouri.